All right, we're going to do a lesson on a three-point turn. Welcome to Cmsc Auto School. The first step of your three-point turn. I put it into gear. I steered all the way to the left. And then I'm putting my left signal on, checking my left side view mirror. I'm turning my head to make sure no cars or children are coming. And I'm going to use as much as the road as I can without going off the road. You don't ever want to go off the road because they would call that a major fail and you would fail the practice test. You want to go as far as you can without going off the road. I'm going to gear again, steer in the other direction all the way, put my arm behind the passenger seat, look 90% out the window, and I'm going to release the brake slowly, give it a little gas, and as it gets closer to the end of the road, I'm going to, the last 10% of the voyage, I'm going to look to my left and see if my side view mirror has broken the center plane of the road. If it has, which it has in this case, I know I've gone far back enough. I don't want to go any further because I'll go off the road and fail, and I have enough space to exit. I gear to drive, turn the wheel in the other direction, put my blinker on, look left and right, and I proceed outside of the three-point turn. I'm heading in the opposite direction, 180 degrees. That was a successful three-point turn. And that's usually when the examiner shakes my hand and says, "Congratulations, you've passed the road test. You now have a license at 5 p.m. Thank you very much.